So yes, so let's go about like what is the backend code which is there. So definitely we have just categorized with front end and the front end and the backend folder. So inside that we have just created the Django admin that main app which is there. So that's why I just notified with the main. So these are the like as per your command you can just put it. So based on that. So this is one of the main. So in that we are using the settings.py file. So all settings related to say install app, so whatever inside the main app, so there are different apps you need to create it. So this is also the like start app commands we are using. So this also have this also card also order also, so this all about. So if you want to add this Vega documentation, so for that one we are using the settings. After that there's some middleware sensor. So for the mostly the Django framework is all about like MVT, model view and template is that. So this is the framework, this is the thing we have included. After that database, and database we are using mostly like Postgres. So after that, some validations as per the language and code, which is also template. So for definitely we are using the REST APIs. So REST Django REST APIs, as we call that TRF framework. So definitely we are use the settings. For token, so how many? Yes, like to access token, refresh token. So based on that, so as per your convent, you can also change it. How much do you need to put it or not, like that. So this is all about. So for email authentication and everything. So for example, if you want, if the user will purchase some data or some fruits over there from the websites, right? So definitely that person will get that the mail as well, right? So there is some mail settings inside. So for connecting the front end and back end, like from back end to front end, we need to connect it. So we have just already that course allowed origin we have just put it. So as per your and different URLs you want to include it, you can over there. So based on that, like we are using the React, so by default its port it's like 5173. So and now we have some backends. So in backend we have the so in public, then after that SRC. So this all like for creating apps. So different components we are using. So context, then database. Also we are using the hooks. So different pages and the providers. So mostly for the reactive part, the React part, so I'll just mostly take the help on the lessons regarding this one. So front end design part. So for some things that what happen if you are using the Django framework, some things which is there, so we do not need to show them. For example, the database. So if we are using the some database, so definitely we don't want to show that like username, password, and everything, right? So for that one, to secure everything, so that's why we are creating the env folder. So in environments we are .env which is created. So that's why all things which is there presently mostly. So what is an apart from that, so this is all about, so this is all about like uh, the APIs that we are testing using API testing we are using. So for that one we are using what we are using the Postman. So this is all about the Postman. After that, we are using database as I said earlier. So we are using Postgres. Then this is all about the works and flows related to this project. So let's see. I want to show this mega documentation. So for that one, so let's wait. So yes, so this is all about the Swagger documentation that we have created. So in this, so see, this is all about. So we have just put it some URLs. So if you want to create your Swagger documentation of that particular something project, so definitely you can use this one. So this is all about see how we are using for this one. So this is all about like our authors and everything. So based on yeah, like as per your convent, you can just write it. So this is all about the Swagger documentation. So after that, So this is all about. So if you want, if you definitely like this project, if you want to know in depth like how I am my source code and everything, so you can just visit my GitHub profile. In that I have just made it. The repo name is like this is the Django Quick my take on. In that you can just go with that. Let's see like what are the things. So it's for your convenience. So what's my next step? So next step it's like developing like we need to deploy it. So for deployment on the live server, so for that ones we are using Docker, GitHub Actions, CI/CD and everything. So we are just using all these things, and based on that we can just make this website as a live. So hope you like it. So definitely if you like it, give thumbs up. So this is all about the things. Thank you so much.